Hello viewers, I'm Fashion Moses. I am an educator. Today I'll be discussing about 5 things you can do in school to make money to help yourself financially, to be the best in your field academically. Yes, I know many students have challenges of helping themselves to make money. Likewise, based on the challenges they have in the family, maybe their parent is unable to give them what they want at the right time. And this will help you not to get involved in any party in school. What I'll be sharing today, I'll be giving you 5 major steps of things you can do in campus to earn money to help yourself academically. I'd like to go with me. Stay tuned as I'll be sharing this with you. Yes. The first thing you can do to make money as a student is by using your handwriting. Now, if you have your writing, you can end up being a calligrapher in the aspect of using your writing to make money. Now, there are some industries that need what you have. Your writing, you make use of your writing to make money for yourself. You can't just be in school writing notes, you're doing everything, and there's a lot you can do with your handwriting. There's some website that need handwriting to make money. Now that's the first thing you can do in school to help yourself academically to make money, to generate income for yourself. Number 2 things you can do is that you organize tutorial. Now, there are some people that need what you know. In the aspect of you organize tutorial for people. You call the good people in your department, you call them together, you guys organize tutorial, you teach people, you teach the lower level, the freshers, the incoming freshers, you teach them. You go outside there, you see tutorial centers, you take GC, JAM, all those academic stuff like that, you take them. Now this is the way you can make money as well in school. And another way you can make money in school is by being using what you have. What you have, if you have a content, for an example, you have a skills in you, you can make hair, you can barb, you can cook, you can do a lot of things. Now, why don't you upload these things on YouTube? Now, YouTube will help you, will help your business to go viral. People will know what you're doing. Even being a YouTuber, being a YouTube blogger, you get paid on YouTube based on the subscribers you have on your YouTube channel and the watch hour you generate. Now, to make money on YouTube is not what easy, and it's still easy. You have to have up to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube channel, and you have 4,000 watch hour, and there's a way you can generate this. Now, I'll be explaining this in my other video on my channel. So let me proceed by telling you the other things you can also do to make money in school. To make money in school, you can sell second-hand handouts to people in the campus. Yes. Why did I say this? Now, you can sell handouts to people. Now, there are some textbooks that people need to get. Those entities that just come to the campus. Like some of them don't know what to do. They are just coming to school with nothing. But you that you are in the school already, you have to get those material they need. Let's say past question, all those things, the textbook. You make it, you do photocopy, you send it out to them. Maybe your lecturer does give you an handout for a course. I know people will need it. We are lazy students now. They don't want to do things like I said. They need people to push them to do something. As you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to make use of those things. You do past questions, you do photocopy past questions, you send to them. Even the one other department will come for it because they know the value of what you are giving them. That's the other way you can make money in campus. And the other step you can make to make money, I'll be discussing in the part 2 of this video. I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button, and share to friends, share to people. Make use of the subscription, subscribe, click on the bell for more notifications to know more of my video. Thank you. I remain Fashion Mr. Taiwo, an educator. Thank you. God bless you.